In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Airtable. We'll walk through installing Airtable's dedupe extension and setting it up so you can quickly spot and review duplicate records with confidence. Start by going to Airtable in your browser and opening the base you want to clean up. If you're following along with a brand new workspace, you might see a base named Untitled Base. Go ahead and open that. Once you're inside the base, look toward the top of the interface for the Add menu. Open it, then choose Extensions. This is where you can add helpful tools that expand what your base can do. In the Extensions panel, click See More to open the full gallery. In the search box, type dedupe. You'll see an extension called dedupe appear in the results. Click dedupe to view its details, then click Add Extension. Airtable will add it to your base and open the configuration screen so you can set your matching rules. Inside dedupe, turn on the highlight option so duplicates will be visually called out right in your grid. This makes it easy to preview results before you take any action. Next, choose the field you want to compare. Select the Notes field. If your base uses a different name for the notes or description column, pick the field that plays the same role. The idea is to compare the text people often repeat across entries. Now set how strictly the extension should match values. For text-heavy fields like notes, choose Similar. This uses fuzzy matching to catch small differences like typos or extra spaces while still grouping likely duplicates together. Click Similar for the first matching rule. Apply Similar again for the next rule, and once more for the third rule. This layered approach helps the extension weigh multiple pieces of text-based context. For fields where you expect an exact match, such as unique IDs, order numbers, or other precise values, switch the match type to exact. Click Exact for the next rule, and click Exact again for the final rule. Using exact on structured fields reduces false positives and helps narrow down truly identical records. Give the extension a moment to analyze your data. With highlight enabled, your grid will call out potential duplicates so you can review them record by record. If you see too many matches, tighten your settings by switching a field from Similar to Exact. If you're missing matches, use Similar on more text fields. When you're happy with the results, proceed with your usual review and cleanup workflow. And that's it. You've installed dedupe, set smart rules, and highlighted duplicates in Airtable.